December 7th for a test drive. Actually, December 6th, 2015. We refurbished it to the best of our ability. Now we're test driving it. What a beautiful truck. Brings back a lot of memories. I put a lot of miles on a truck just like this.